Hello everyone. Welcome to Channel Nitrix. Today we will show you the unboxing and first impressions of the device GKD Bubble Classic Handheld Console. Comes in a compact and elegantly packaged box as usual from ZPG Pocket Game. Inside you will find the portable gaming device, a Type-C charging cable, and a user manual in English and Chinese. Detailed review of the Z Pocket Game Bubble. We start with the design and build quality factor, as the ZPG Bubble comes with a high-quality plastic body that is very well processed. Characterized by its hardness, soft texture, and light weight. It features a soft texture that helps the user enjoy a long period of use without feeling bored due to the fluidity of the design of the device, as the first impressions when holding the device. The device features a stylish design inspired by the old style, immediately reminiscent of the aesthetics of the classic Sega Game Gear, the old compact modern. The buttons are well placed, providing ease of use for small hands and providing a nice tactile response. The build quality seems strong, with a slightly textured finish to the plastic body to improve grip. It's light enough for extended gaming sessions, yet feels sturdy in the hand with a micro HDMI port, an audio jack, a USB Type-C port, and an SD card slot for increased internal storage. There are two outputs for Speaker 1 and Speaker 2 at the bottom of the device with support for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. The form factor and design are very similar to the Sega Game Gear versions. The ZPG design of the Sega D-pad controller looks very good. The whole device looks very classic and resembles a modern Game Gear, just as intended. Which comes with two options of the usual classic colors developed by the company. In terms of the device's ergonomics, it comes in a small size, ideal for gaming on the go, which is characterized by the comfort of the button design, weight, and feel during prolonged use. As the device is relatively small, very similar to the old Sega Game Gear devices. The GKD Bubble handheld console device comes with sculpted corners to give the old character, a flat design and simple shoulder buttons that are somewhat hidden inside the cover. As the device's buttons work well, the controls and button layout on its face, the D-pad and buttons are well placed for ease of use. The design includes a traditional D-pad for old devices and the control arms on the Sega Game Gear design. The quality of the buttons in terms of response and tactile feedback and the durability of the buttons is very good with a feeling of pressure and ease of use with. The analog control sticks are smooth and accurate during play, as they feature a soft, responsive click for ease of use for a long time. The GKD Bubble will feature a 3.5-inch display with a resolution of 640 by 480 pixels. This is a 4:3 aspect ratio, which is perfect for the old handheld gaming console you are recreating, the Sega Game Gear 10:9. The 3.5-inch screen is the standard size for old handhelds. The 3.5-inch IPS display is one of the standout features of the ZPG Bubble. It provides a resolution sharp enough for old games, ensuring that the pixel art looks crisp and colorful for old games. The ZPG Bubble is extremely simple to use. With very good performance for old games, it comes with the well-known Rockchip RK3566 processor chip used in classic devices. The ZPG Bubble's Rockchip RK3566 CPU is a system-on-a-chip that is suitable for handling these 64-bit devices with a main frequency of 1.8 GHz without any problem. You will be able to play NES, SNES, N64, Sega Genesis, Sega Dreamcast, Neo Geo, Arcade, and PlayStation 1, without any lag as the processor is very good and energy efficient. The ability to play for a long time with emulation capabilities. Test games from different systems, including PlayStation, Nintendo 64, and Dreamcast. Focus on performance in terms of lag rate and long loading times without feeling the temperature rise. The custom Linux-based operating system is simple and intuitive. Navigation is smooth, and loading times are minimal. The user interface includes easy access to game libraries, settings, and customization options. In terms of storage and random memory, it will come with RAM, LPDDR4 1GB with built-in storage and expandable options for multiple games. In terms of user interface and software, as usual, ZPG devices come with Linux operating system that supports emulators pre-installed or loaded by the user with the quality of the installed emulators and ease of use.